Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Wow, my people, Dancehall skilla there again with some more things to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone is okay and alright, you see? Alright, now first things first. I am going to present a video to you that had been recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica. I don't have any information as to when the video had been recorded. The video shows some things that happened during a confrontation between a civilian and a police officer from within the country that is known as Jamaica. One part of the video shows when the civilian picked up at least one object with the intention to hit the police officer. Another part of the video shows when the police officer pulled a gun and pointed the gun in the direction of the civilian. Now, viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, this video shows a hostile situation. And I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to take a look at this video and tell me what you think about the things that you're about to see and hear in this video. And I want you to please bear in mind that in this video, you can hear harsh language. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and you can also tell me what you think. Observe with me, people. Observe. What? So mad at people. Watch it.
Them know say when I shoot him. Oh man, I'm buffing out a tell dog.
I saw you, dog.
Brother. Don't let him shoot you.
Don't let him charge it.
Let him shoot you, boy.
And the blood clot that we had a pint off of my car, dog.
I tell you. Hey. Hey.
Yo. My people, that situation is no joking situation, you know. I bet that him they just walk away, you know, viewers and subscribers. You see it? Yeah, man, I bet him they just walk away, man. Not take up nothing at all with no intention to hit no police officer. You understand? Because I think that certain things could have happened just by him picking up any object with the intention to hit the police officer. I may attack with the best of interest for that person. You see it? Yeah, man, just walk away and de-escalate the whole confrontation. Me I tell my people. So me I say, yeah, man, I mean, what if that person actually did hit the police officer? And or what if the police officer actually fired the weapon? Think about what could have happened, viewers and subscribers. I bet time they just walk away, my people. I mean, I say this with the best of interest for that person. And also for the police officer as well. You see it? Yeah, man, just walk away, man. Walk away. You know, so sometimes certain things happen and can make you get angry. But don't make anger get the best of you. You see me? I say, I'm not going to act like me perfect. No. But I still give the best advice that me can. Alright? Anyways, you can let me know what I think, viewers and subscribers. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I got information that on Thursday morning, the 16th of June, the year 2022, after an event that is known as Jam Naked or Jam Naked Fete had been held somewhere within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago, at least 2 persons had been taken into police custody by the police within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. And there are also videos circulating on social media that shows some things that police officers from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago had done in order to restrain at least 2 persons. A part of one of those videos shows police officers kicking and hitting a person repeatedly. And I also got information that the Professional Standards Bureau of the Trinidad and Tobago Police Service is investigating the officers involved in a now viral arrest that took place outside the venue of the event that is known as Jam Naked or Jam Naked Fete on Thursday morning. That's the 16th of June, the year 2022, after the event had been held. Some comments on social media gave me the understanding that quite a number of persons are talking about how the police handled the situation. Those videos that are on social media draw a lot of attention of viewers and subscribers, you understand? And I did some research to see if I could get as much information about the whole situation as I could. You understand, viewers and subscribers? However, a news article that I read said that the Public Information Office of the Trinidad and Tobago Police Service Cooperative Communications Unit was contacted for comments, and a person who goes by the last name of Hill said that the accused, are those two persons who had been brought into police custody, were detained at a police station that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I didn't get any confirmed information as to why those two men were arrested by the police within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago, and I didn't get any confirmed information as to what offenses those two men might be charged for. I also got unconfirmed information that motor vehicles had been broken into and several persons had been robbed outside of the venue of the event. But I cannot confirm if those information are accurate or if they are true, viewers and subscribers, but I'm just giving the information according to how I got information. Alright? And with that, I think I'm going to leave this whole topic right here, viewers and subscribers. You can let me know what you think. You see, the reason why I give you this information is because those videos are being talked about on social media. You understand? Now, I am going to present a video to you that will be recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica. I do not know when the video will be recorded. The video shows when a man was being arrested or detained by the police within the country that is known as Jamaica. I don't have any confirmed information as to why the man had been arrested or detained by the police within the country that is known as Jamaica. However, the video has been talked about on social media for more than one reason. Some comments on social media gave me the understanding that one of those reasons why the video has been talked about on social media is because I can hear a person singing in the background of the video. And some comments on social media gave me the understanding that the lyrics that the person used to sing in the background of the video is being used to determine as to why the person had been arrested or detained by the police within the country that is known as Jamaica. Viewers and subscribers, I want to take a look at this video and tell me what I think. I want to tell you what I think overall about the whole situation shown in the video. And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Phone thief wanna see me. Me say we hold him wanna see me. Why you grab man phone like a female, pop up me 3-star and give me? A phone thief wanna see me. Me say we hold him wanna see me. Why you grab man phone like a female, pop up me 3-star and give me? Wanna see me? See me, see boy, I see phone thief ya. A phone thief wanna see me. We say we hold him wanna see me. Why you grab man phone like a female, pop up me 3-star and give me? The one that bleach in the cream ya. Is a big stone me give me.
Jano, no, my people, that's a serious situation, but at the same time, I couldn't help that part. Listen. Yes, when it comes to social media, yes, you can listen, you can look, but you have to be careful of certain information on social media. You can't tell me if you think the video shows a person who had been accused of stealing a phone or what. You understand me? But the point is still, viewers and subscribers, is that the video is being talked about on social media. I'm gonna like you, tell me what you think. You understand? You can't tell me if you think the video funny or not. You can tell me what I think overall about the video. I'm going to move on to another topic because I don't have a lot of confirmed information about the whole situation shown in the video, alright? Now, I got information that the police within the country of Jamaica have launched an investigation after 2 bodies was found in the trunk of a Toyota Probox motor vehicle in Portmore, St. Catherine, Jamaica on the 15th of June, the year 2022. It is said that the motor vehicle was abandoned, viewers and subscribers, with those 2 bodies in the motor vehicle. And it is said that the bodies was found wrapped in tarpaulin in the motor vehicle. It is said that the police are doing an investigation to identify the bodies of those 2 persons who had been killed, the viewers and subscribers. However, it is said that the bodies had been identified by aliases such as Jaja and Blacks. It is said that the police suspect that those 2 persons might have been killed because of ongoing gang feuds within the parish of St. Catherine, that's within the country of Jamaica. Alright? And it is said that the police are trying to determine if those 2 persons have been killed within the area where the bodies have been found in the motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers. You understand? And I also got some unconfirmed information as to who's the owner of the motor vehicle. And I also got other unconfirmed information about the whole situation, viewers and subscribers, but I'm not going to mention those information in this video. However, if I get any more confirmed information about the whole situation, I will leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video below to let you know what I know. Alright? Anyways, so me I left it. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see?